As someone who has worked in funeral service for 30 years, I see every day my fair share of tragedy. I see how cruel human beings can be to one another. As someone challenged by depression for as long as I can recall, even coming close to taking my own life 5 years ago. Mental illness is not a death sentence. And with the right people around you, you can change the world that you live in. That's why we started Funeral Professionals Peer Support for funeral professionals across North America. Silence is a dangerous side effect of mental illness. Speaking openly is a big, small step down the path of getting help.
Good evening. My name is Brent Strawn, Division President for Minto Communities here in Ottawa. For the past 15 years, Minto has been one of the proud sponsors of the Inspiration Awards. Over that period of time, we've been privileged to meet some amazing people with truly inspiring stories. Tonight, on behalf of the entire Minto team, I'm honored to present the 2021 Inspiration Award to Michael Dixon in the community category. Congratulations, Michael. You truly are an inspiration.
All right, Michael, well done.
Thank you.
Looking sharp tonight.
Well, so are you.
Look, twins over here. So good. I know your story. You obviously know your story. Hope you don't mind sharing it tonight. Can you take us back to the morning of January 7th, 2016? Tell us a bit about that morning and how you remember feeling.
Well, you know, there's always been, suicide thoughts or attempts, but this one I had really planned for.
Really?
And I did what I normally did, woke up, kissed my wife goodbye, drove my son to school, and went off into a park, and basically played Russian roulette with my life. I couldn't get out of my car. Something was holding me back, and I decided that I would make a call.
Yeah.
And I decided to call my doctor, and I said to myself, well, if somebody answers, I'm going to get help. And if I have to leave a message, I'm just going to walk off into the forest. And I phoned my doctor, and a nurse picked up the phone.
Wow. And that did it right there.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. That was just over 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Tell us how you've changed in those last 5 years, and because it sounds like to me you were at the lowest of the low, obviously right there, and meeting you earlier tonight. There's a big smile on your face. Your wife is with us tonight, with you, accompanying you. It's a world of difference, isn't it, that you're living in these days?
It totally is. I decided, I was trying to run my life, and obviously I wasn't doing a good job of it. So just giving your life to somebody else to help guide you through things. And then just reaching out to people and being very, very open about what was going on in my life. And really, just being totally selfish in my own recovery. And that's basically what people have to do.
Yeah. Can you tell us what does success look like for your support group?
Certainly. We had one thing I found was, when I reached out to people and I was very open with people I worked with, and I always got the same comment. I always got, hey, can I, I always got, hey, congratulations, we're really proud of you. But hey, can I talk to you later on? And, people were kind of saying, well, you know what, I'm feeling just like you.
Yeah.
I just can't take it anymore. And so a group of us, beautiful people, put together a peer support network here in Ottawa. There was no other funeral service peer support in North America, and we just kind of had to build this from the ground up. Mm-hmm. And then people in Canada started to hear about it, and we were Canadian Funeral Peer Support. And since COVID, and even before COVID, people in the U.S. have heard about us, and we've actually, we're branching out into the United States now, so we're now Funeral Professionals Peer Support.
Wow. You could have, from that day forward, after getting the help, just gone on, lived a somewhat normal life, but you've committed yourself to advocacy. Thank you for doing so.
Oh, thank you.
A lot of us thank you, but why do you think that?
Well, I think we're all born with a gift, And you know, we're all born with something inside of us to do good and to do better. And time has come now where we just can't rely on others anymore. We can't rely on our government to fix the mental health crisis we have in this country. It comes from people like, you know, myself and the other award recipients here today, and people that have won this award in the past and in the future. It's up to us to make that difference.
Yeah, don't stop. Keep doing what you're doing. And that
Thank
goes
you.
for all 5 of you here tonight. Thank you for being here. Congratulations on your Inspiration Award, Michael, and continued success
Thank
to
you so
you and
much.
your family and your group.